Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about flattering makeup and I want to recommend some products that in my opinion are helping me to create a flattering makeup. I would like to start this video with a disclaimer about flattering and maybe even demure makeup, because that is the new term. So first of all, please wear whatever makes you feel happy, beautiful. You are beautiful with and without makeup, and just wear whatever you want, however you want. This is just a video to mention products that are, in my opinion, really good formulas and that are helping me, so this is my own opinion, helping me create a beautiful look. These are a bit more on the neutral side, something a bit more soft. So something that I would describe like a bridal makeup or something like that. But of course, if you want to wear big lashes, blue eyeliner, blue mascara, whatever, and the red lip, whatever you want to wear on your big day, please, you do you. You just need to feel beautiful and confident. That is the most important thing. So let's start with these products. I just want to mention what I think about this because of course this is all superficial. These are all makeup products. Makeup is just removing at the end of the day. First of all, my favorite primer. This is the Essence Hello Good Stuff. If I want to have a really nice skin, even with some pimples and stuff like that, because right now my skin is actually freaking out. Maybe you can't see, but I have a million pimples right now. Anyway, even with a bad skin day, I love this one. It is hydrating. It will create like the best base, like a glass skin. This is my second bottle. I absolutely love it. I mentioned it a million times. And another product that I mentioned a million times is this one. This is the Natasha Denona Hyglam concealer. I have in here the shade N1. Beautiful concealer, very high coverage, but at the same time you can use a smaller amount and you can have beautiful under eyes. What I did today is actually start with this one and then put foundation on top and then a bit more of this on my pimples. As you can see, maybe, or you can't, I have right here a very red pimple, but I did cover it with 2 layers of this and 1 layer of foundation and it looks invisible in my opinion. Maybe just some texture. If you want a flawless base, this is, in my opinion, a good product. And the combo of these 3 could create a really flawless skin, and you don't even need foundation. You can, if you have a good shade of this one for your face. Right now this is a bit too light for me, so I need something just to use around the edges, so I used a darker foundation. This one as well, with these 2 others, are just creating a very smooth and beautiful skin. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder. I have it in Sugar Cookie. I did repurchase it. It's just the best powder out there. It is smoothing, setting everything into place, and it looks great and very natural. If you are using a setting spray on top as well, it will melt into the skin and just be one with your skin. It looks great. And a very incredible bronzer is this one. I can't wait to use it a lot more and maybe finish it up actually. It is the stalk'r bronzer from Fenty. This is my favorite bronzer. It's just the best. Creamy, but in the powder format. Easy to blend, not pigmented, but pigmented enough. It's just the best one, and this shade is just so perfect. I can't recommend it enough. It's very flattering because it's not a harsh product. It's not too pigmented. It is blending out very easily. In my opinion, this is a very bulletproof product. You can't mess this one up. It will look great each time. And similar to that, I have the MAC blush. This is the Mineralize blush, and I have in here the most iconic shade, probably the Warm Soul shade. Again, bulletproof. You can't mess this one up. It's just so nice on the cheeks because it's like a satiny formula, so it's not emphasizing texture or something like that, but it has some glow at the same time. I absolutely love this one. It is a beautiful formula, and even though these are not new, they are still great products. Let's talk about some eye products. I'm gonna mention only 3 products that in my opinion are creating a very stunning, flattering look. First of all, we have the tattoo liner, the 24-hour eye stick from Maybelline. I have in here the shade I Am Inspired number 20. It is like a pinky shade, pinky champagne shade. It's lovely. You can apply it directly on your lids, blend it out with a brush or even with your finger if you don't have long nails like me. I'm using a brush all the time, and you will have a very beautiful and flattering shade. And then what I really like to do as well is use a matte, very light shade in the inner corner. For my skin tone, this is great. I have here the Vintage Rose shade from Melkior. It is a almost white shade, but as you can see, maybe close to my shirt, it is a bit pinky. That's the reason it's called, of course, Vintage Rose. And I'm putting this one in the inner corner. These two, the most beautiful and simple eye look. And as well a mascara to finish up the look. The Essence Lash Without Limits in brown. This works so nicely with the other two, because even though this is a brown mascara, it is dark enough to emphasize the lashes and everything, but it's not black, so it's just a bit more natural. In my opinion, this is the definition of demure or flattering. It's just so nice on the lashes, and the formula as well, it is lovely. It is creating long and fluttery lashes. They are just stunning. I absolutely love this combo. For lips, I want to mention this lip liner. Even though it's maybe not the absolute best formula out there, it's so flattering. This is the E.L.F Cream Glide Lip Liner, and this particular shade for me, the shade Truth or Dare, on my skin tone is just so natural, and it is a very creamy pencil, so if you don't like that, you will probably not love this one. It's not the most long-lasting lip pencil as well, but it looks so beautiful and it's just gliding on the lips. They look great, and you can just overline a bit with this one. It is pretty easy for me, at least, to overline with this one. And then I have 2 options to put on top. First of all, of course, the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. This is still a very flattering shade. I will mention this in 20 years. If this is still available, I will still mention it, and hopefully I will still own it, because it is a very flattering lipstick. And as well, I want to mention this lip gloss with the similar details to the E.L.F lip liner. It is the best gloss out there? No, but it is affordable, and as well it did impress me, because first of all, it is the Essence What the Fake Plumping Lip Filler. This shade is again very flattering. I have the shade Oh My Nude. It has just the smallest amount of shimmer, but mostly it is a thicker lip gloss, but it looks so flattering. The combo of these two looks so good. It's just like a pinky neutrally shade, very plumped and flattering, because I can overline a bit with this one and then put this one that is a plumping product on top, and it will make my lips look just incredible, really. So these are all the products that I want to mention. They are just great products, and in my humble opinion, some of the most flattering products out there. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.